Let's talk real quick about depth map styles. There are currently 20 different style options to choose from in depth map batch. The most used is close white. What that means is white is closest to the camera view and black is furthest away, and it's a pure grayscale. Whereas close black, black is closest to the camera view and white is furthest away. Both are pure grayscale. And the 16-bit is also pure grayscale and it uses close white. The remaining styles are more for aesthetics and visually appealing. I still use them sometimes. When I want to convert a 2D image to a 3D mesh, my main go-to is close white. If I run into any unwanted banding in the mesh, then I'll flip over to 16-bit. 16-bit does a lot better job with removing the banding, but it doesn't do as good of a job when it comes to the accuracy of the depth. And that's why close white is my primary choice. You can still use the other depth map styles to transform a 2D image into a 3D mesh, but it's not a pure grayscale. Oh, one more thing to keep in mind. If you want to use the 16-bit, currently that's only an option for the depth anything v2 model weights files. I don't yet have that option available for Midas 3.1 or Midas 3.0. Alright, that's all I got.